Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. We are doing our hair. We have a wig from ISEE Hair. So I just love how all of their wigs come in a pink box. Here's my wig. The contents of the box, you get a adjustable strap and then a wig cap and some instructions. This wig is 26 inches and it's straight. I haven't had a long straight wig in so long, so we're gonna see what this one is giving. So this is also one of the wear and go wigs, so I am going to put this right on and see what it's giving. This is a 13 by 6. It is pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything. So this is what it looks like. It also has this layer underneath. It's like a wig cap layer, so that's interesting. But I am just going to pop this tag off and try the wig on. And since it's a 13 by 6, you have so much parting space. Like, you have a lot of parting space, and it's super duper long. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on a stocking cap. And just pull my cap to the back. So it also has combs in the back. It has this silicone outer lining so that your wig doesn't like slip and stuff, and then it has the adjustable drawstring that you can use to adjust your wig, as well as this wig band, and then it also comes with the extra if you didn't want to use the red one, but I'm going to use the red one. So I'm going to try it on first and see how it fits. And then I always have to hold this cap so it doesn't slide back while I'm putting my wig on. So this was the wig on. It definitely needs to be straightened. And this is 26 inches on me down to my butt. So yeah, this is 13 by 6 on me. My head is too little for 13 by 6. You guys know I don't do anything with like the excess, so I kind of just let that chill. Sometimes I like bobby pin it so it doesn't move, which is what I think I'm gonna do today. I think I'm just gonna bobby pin that down, cause yeah, we don't need it. And I'm also gonna take a hot comb to this so that the roots are like flatter. Okay, so I went in on this side with the hot comb, and for some reason it makes this side not even look like it was a little fluffy, but all I did was go in on the roots and like straighten that out. Y'all know I don't like to do this while the wig is on my head because it's literally so scary. I hate hot combs. But that's literally all I did. The hair is lightweight and it's pretty. I just haven't had like long sleek hair, I feel like this in a minute. But I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of setting foam for the flyaways. That's it. So sometimes when you get these wigs, you will have to like go in and tweak it a little bit or like straighten it. It is traveling a long distance, so you might have to do that. But like as far as like the tweezing and the plucking and stuff, you don't have to do that. I am gonna add a little bit of foundation powder to the wig so that it blends in with my skin. Like so. Just so it like blends more in with my skin. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of hairspray to like tack it down. But once you do that, the band on the wig is like invisible. Well, not the band, but once you do that, like that line of demarcation disappears. And I just like hairspray because it just makes me feel like the wig is more secure, but there's nothing on it right now. I could probably even use foam instead of hairspray. Let's see. I just know with hairspray, the wig is going nowhere. And I'm just gonna let this kind of dry down. Yeah, so I just use a little bit of setting foam, and look at that. I love that. That's literally all I'm gonna do. This looks so good. This looks so good. And I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron and just kind of straighten out any kinks there could be in the wig. But yeah, if you had somewhere to go, you can install this wig and be out of the door in like 20 minutes. Just from like putting it on, straightening it like I'm doing, or like hot combing it, doesn't take long at all. At least you don't have to bleach it, you don't have to pluck it, you don't have to cut it. That is it. That is literally all I'm gonna do. This is the length on me, 26 inches, no layers, because I like the sleek look. I haven't not cut a wig in so long. I'm gonna show you guys how long it is from the back. She's long. She's long, flowy, nice and flowy. Gorgeous. And my skin is so tan right now. I love the way this hair looks on my tan skin. And it's not even a black wig. This is like the natural color it comes. So I want to say maybe it's like a natural 1B or something. But so gorgeous. So yeah, this is it. This is your wear and go. This is your wear and go wig from ISEE Hair. I'll be sure to list all of their information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to this unit that I'm wearing. Again, it's 26 inches, it's Brazilian straight, and it is a 13x6. But all of that will be down below. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.